Welcome to Only IAS Eduhub. In today's detailed analysis, we break down a critical update in global economics and geopolitics. U.S. stock markets are soaring, but tensions between the U.S. and China are heating up once again. Let's understand what's happening and what it means for the world. Despite a surge in global stock markets, former U.S. President Donald Trump has reignited tensions with China. While there were signs of easing trade restrictions, Trump made it clear, this is no truce. Let's dive in. Last Friday, the U.S. announced temporary tariff exemptions on electronics like smartphones, laptops, and semiconductors, items where China plays a major role in the supply chain. This news was welcomed by investors, leading to a positive rally across global stock markets. Paris and Frankfurt rose by around 2%, London gained 1.7%, Tokyo closed 1.2% higher, and Hong Kong surged 2.4%. But on Sunday, Trump clarified that these exemptions were temporary. He stated, quote, "Nobody is getting off the hook, especially not China." This message was posted on his Truth Social platform, emphasizing that the trade war is far from over. In response, the Chinese Commerce Ministry downplayed the move as just a small step, urging that all tariffs should be lifted entirely. Meanwhile, China is trying to present itself as a more stable alternative to what it calls an erratic Washington. Trump's aggressive trade stance has sparked fears of a broader economic downturn. The US dollar has weakened, investors are pulling out of government bonds, and market uncertainty is growing. Yet, in contrast, stock markets in Asia and Europe remain optimistic, at least for now. This is more than just tariffs. It's a game of geopolitical chess. Since Trump's Liberation Day tariffs on April 2nd, the world's two largest economies have been locked in a tit-for-tat trade battle. U.S. tariffs on Chinese goods, 145%. China's retaliatory tariffs on U.S. imports, 125%. Interestingly, some U.S. tech giants like Nvidia, Dell, and Apple might benefit in the short term due to these exemptions. But with no long-term certainty, even they must tread carefully. So while stocks are rising, the future of U.S.-China relations remains uncertain. Is this just a pause before a bigger storm? Or the beginning of a new economic order? Subscribe to Only IAS Eduhub for daily simplified news analysis tailored for UPSC and beyond.